Solar is a technology that we have to push forward. We want to help make the shift from these dirty sources of energy to clean, sustainable energy.
People should care about and invest in solar because it's a path for which we can become more sustainable as a population in general, and also become more independent, and therefore leave a legacy for our entire families and future generations as well. So MLSD, or Module Level Shutdown, is a code requirement in the NEC Code 2017 and beyond that requires that each solar panel will shut down in a specific time frame to a certain voltage.
It is requiring any installation on a roof to have a module level shutdown, which is a component that is put on every PV module.
The idea was that a firefighter would come out onto the scene and they would simply be able to hit a switch to shut down solar system at the module level to bring it down to a safe voltage. And what we're finding is these systems are unreliable.
MLSD has several unintended consequences. One would be increased cost of the solar system. The next would be that there is less competition in the marketplace. And finally, issues with safety.
When we have to install module level shutdown, we are literally putting a device at every single panel. So our crews are up on a roof for longer, the labor is more, the risk is more, which just lends itself to a potential accident. We are increasing connection points exponentially, and these connection points are the biggest point of failure on solar.
There's problems with these systems because there is more components that they cause noise in the system. With this noise, it can cause it to throw an error when there isn't an error, or possibly not show an error whenever it's a safety issue to shut down the systems.
What we're finding is if one fails, it could cause several other panels in the string to also fail and to turn off, and perhaps maybe even the inverter too. And when that happens, the solar system goes down.
If we integrate the MLSD into the modules themselves, it creates the best path forward for increased safety, simplicity, affordability, and reliability.
If we had something already integrated at the module level, it would bring more players into the industry. It would strengthen competition. It would lead to innovation. And with competition and innovation comes more affordability. The National Fire Protection Agency is being petitioned to update the code, and that is really coming from within the industry. The solar installers and the electricians in the field see the problems that have come with the module level shutdown, and we want to make them aware of what we're seeing in the field.
Others can support this cause by getting a hold of the National Electrical Code and the National Fire Protection Association, getting the word out that this is something that needs to be resolved.
You can talk to other installers, go to fixmlsd.com. You can learn more about module level shutdown as well as sign the petition.
If there's one big takeaway from this, is that there is a solution forward, and that if we all work together, we can provide that for the industry itself. To learn more and get involved, go to www.fixmlsd.com.